friends, welcome to Motivational Minute here on the Writer's Atelier channel, where I, Paige, am going to give us all a pep talk in a 60-second video. So some days, you're just not feeling it. Whether you woke up extremely anxious like I did this morning, you're recovering from a cold, just not feeling well, or it's just like one of those days. It happens. And while I don't have the advice on how exactly to power through it, sometimes it takes rest, sometimes it takes jumping into a project. The one thing I can say is it happens to all of us. You are not alone in this feeling, and it won't last forever. So I am sending everyone out there a big, giant virtual hug. And yeah, just know that you're never alone. Keep working hard, keep working on your stories. Take deep breaths, and I will see you next Monday. Subscribe for more motivation and inspiration. Check out all of the links down below, and I'll see you soon. Bye, everyone.